Here we are back again. Yeah, Roger, stops a sec. Okay. Here we are. Roger's done the root pass and the capping pass. He's done all that, and now he's getting ready to put the plate on the back. As you can see where he's marked it, so you can work out where the grind is. Now he's got a flush. He's going to cut the weld back so he can then put that flush on top, and then weld it off, which stiffens up that steel so no way it can rip. And we're doing the same on top and bottom with another steel plate on the flanges. Yeah, that's what he's up to right now, getting that done.
Lucky you caught me in time. I would have ground it off, you wouldn't have seen it.
Yeah.
So what I did was the root runs, so everything was tacked, ground back ready for the weld. Vertical root run up, always go vertical up to give it the heat and strength. And then I did a vertical cap and fill over the top of that.
Yep.
And then ground it back. As you can see, it's flush, there's no inclusions or anything. No undercut, it's perfect.
Yeah, no holes, no nothing.
Same this side, vertical up, root run, I went vertical up with the cap and fill.
Yep.
Same again, ground it back, perfect. And then so just
doing the back one.
Ran a bead just all the way through, nice hot one. And that was a root run that filled it up as well. So that was pretty good, didn't have to do a cap over it.
Cool.
Yeah, I was running pretty hot for both of them, so to get the heat into the root. And then it was pretty much a hot pass, cap and fill on the two verticals on the flanges. So yeah, now I've marked that plate, as Dita was saying. Always measure it, put it in the middle.
Yep.
And I mark the orientation of the corners, so you know which corners you're using.
Yep. You got all that done, and it's going to be good, mate. And you weld it around. Fantastic. We'll take another photo later.
Yep. I'm grinding it off now.
Thanks for joining us, guys. We'll catch you again soon with Roger doing some more welding. Great. See you.
See ya.
Bye. Thanks, Roger. See you, mate.